With this session, we are going to discuss about Newland's law of octave. Who was Newland and what he said in his law of octave? Newland's whose full name was John Alexander Rayner Newland. He was a British chemist in 19th century who worked concerning the periodicity of elements. At the time of Newland, about 56 elements were known, and every scientist are going to search about arrange all the elements in tabular manner. At the time, Newland gave his statement on the basis of his law of octave. He said we can arrange all the elements in ascending order of atomic mass, which represented by capital A. According to the law of octave, we can arrange all the elements in ascending order of atomic mass, and every eighth element have a similar property, like a musical notes. As pattern of Indian system, you can say, as the Western system pattern, you can see the every eighth note is similar. Same pattern Newlands follow in his law of octave. Like you can see, he make a table to arrange all the elements in ascending order of atomic mass in a row. And here the every eighth element have a similar property. Like lithium have a similar nature with the sodium, beryllium with the magnesium, boron with aluminium, carbon with silicon, nitrogen with phosphorus, oxygen with sulfur, fluorine with chlorine, like that. He arranged all the elements in that manner. Means every eighth element should have a similar property. According to this law, it's completely make a table. Like you can see here. Here the Newland arrange in completely horizontal way in ascending order of the atomic mass. He arrange all the elements. Here you can see that atomic mass way, if you'll consider as the hydrogen is the having a least atomic mass, and second one is lithium, then beryllium, then boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. And after this element, the eighth element will come. And according to, if you'll move to the vertical row, which known as group, in a one group, all the elements are present have a similar property, a common nature. So this is statement given by the Newland's law of octave. We can arrange all the elements in the horizontally the ascending order of atomic mass, and every eighth element have a similar property. Like you can see in one group, we are consider the beryllium, magnesium, and calcium have a similar nature, and that's why they are arranged in a one group. But Newlands have some kind of the limitations while he make it completely table on the basis of law of octave. What kind of the limitations he face? Like you can see here, the first limitation of Newland's law. He said every eighth element should have a similar property. But after chlorine element, the other element it could not be accommodate the law of octave. Means he arranged all the elements in the group that have a similar property. But after chlorine, if you see the cobalt and nickel, they have a complete different nature as compared to chlorine. Here, the Newlands failed to give the state judgment to arrange this kind of the elements property. Next one, it's completely according to basis of the Newlands law of octave. We should arrange only one element in one slot. But in some places, in his table, he make two elements in a one slot. Like cobalt and nickel, you can see here. Like here you can see, he put two elements in a same slot. This is also one more limitations of Newlands. Now the third one, the major limitations occur by the Newland, that is, he doesn't left any place for undiscovered element. So due to that, in future purpose, if any kind of the elements were discovered, the complete entire tables get disturbed due to add such kind of elements in Newland's table. Like Noble gases inclusion in the table is disturb the entire arrangement of the elements. So these are the limitations are faced by the Newland why he make its own table to arrange all the elements in a ascending order of atomic mass. But the second statement he said we can completely arrange on the elements in which every eighth element has similar property. He can't justify this statement completely and can't able to arrange all the elements in the same way. Due to that, the Newland's law of octave was not accepted by the scientists. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.